Hey guys, today we are featuring Mrs. Kanika Chahal from Next to Future on Vrneighbours.
Hey guys, I'm Kanika, founder of Next to Future. Next to Future is a 3D design studio. The idea behind creating or launching this kind of services in India is to get the best creativity out of from a person. I myself, as an engineer by qualification, did my MBA, but after a few years of job, I thought that I should carry on with my passion, which was more towards creativity, and this was one of the area, or you can say the kind of art which is new into India, and we thought to launch it in India and give something unique to all the Indian people who are art lovers basically, and they want to create something unique for themselves, or they want to give something unique to their loved ones. So I'll start with the kind of offerings, services we are providing. So to start with, we are creating miniatures of a person. We can create a miniature of anyone who is live. In fact, a person who is not there in the world, who is gone forever from us. So we can create lifelike, realistic figurines of those people. Few of the figurines are there in front of you, which we have created through their 360-degree scans. And if you want figurines of your the people who are not there in your life, like your parents, your grandparents, or anybody, just share your photograph, share the photograph of those people, and we'll create the 3D figurines of them. And then there are a lot of other options in 3D. You just have to think. Sky is the limit. We think and we can create that in 3D. One of the example is the 2D drawing, which was being done by a kid. We have created that in 3D figurines. We can create furniture. We can make sample models of furniture. We can use it for branding purpose. This is best if for the bride and groom. You can have a 3D portrait. It is basically a selfie in 3D.